Ever tried to add a user's age input to a number and got a weird concatenation instead? That's because input returns a string. Let's fix that. Python's built-in int function is your go-to for converting strings to integers. The syntax is simple. Just pass the string as the argument. For example, int of the string 123 returns the integer 123. You can also pass a variable containing a string. The int function passes the string and returns the numeric value. But what if the string isn't a valid number? Python raises a value error exception. For instance, int of obc will crash your program. Always wrap int calls in a try-except block when dealing with user input or untrusted data. This lets you handle invalid conversions gracefully. Here's a powerful feature. Int accepts a second parameter for the base. By default, it's base 10 for decimal numbers. But you can convert binary strings by passing base 2, hexadecimal with base 16, or even octal with base 8. For example, int of 1010,2 interprets the string as binary and returns 10. Keep in mind, the string must contain only valid numeric characters for the given base. Leading and trailing white space is fine, Python strips it automatically. But any other characters like letters in a decimal string will trigger that value error. To recap, use int to convert strings to integers, handle value error for invalid inputs, and specify the base parameter for non-decimal conversions. Now go practice converting some strings. Want to get better at answering questions like this? With Interview Mentor, you practice real interview questions out loud. You get personalized feedback and a grade on every answer, and you can track your improvement over time.